Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the 3DS and its data. This is why backups matter. They protect progress if something goes wrong. Power on the console, insert the SD card, and copy save files to a computer or run a verified backup utility on the device. Once done, check firmware and game cartridge or CIA save type to choose the correct power save method. Make sure battery level is sufficient. A shutdown during flashing causes corruption, so avoid low power. Now you install and configure the power save workflow. You control precise memory writes, which is why accuracy matters. Connect the power save dongle to your PC and 3DS adapter, launch the application, and select the game ROM or title ID. Load the save file, choose read or write mode, and confirm region and save slot. Once configured, preview the changes using the tool's verification step, because a mismatch can corrupt the save. Proceed only when checks pass. Finish by writing and verifying the save. This completes the power save process and prevents data loss. Start the write, keep the connection steady, and wait until the tool reports success. Then power up the 3DS, load the game, and confirm the injected changes appear as intended. If you see errors or corrupted data, restore your backup immediately. Next, recheck region, slot, and file type, then retry on a fresh backup. If problems persist, consult community guides for your specific title.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.